12th floor. Door opening. Going down.
0, retail mall. Doors opening. Lifts going down. Doors closing. Promenade level -1. Retail mall and car park. Doors opening. Doors Level -4, car park. Doors opening. Doors closing. Doors closing. Level 2, Boydale Restaurant. Doors opening. Lift going down. Doors closing. Level 1, Boysdale Caviar and Oyster Bar and Terrace. Doors opening. Lift going down. Doors closing. Level -3, car park. Doors opening. Lift going down. Doors closing.
That was actually lucky.
Level -4, car park. Doors opening. Level -2, car park. Doors going up. Doors closing. Street level 0, retail mall. Doors opening. Lift going down. Level -4, car park. Doors opening.
Doors closing. Level 2, restaurants. closing. Doors opening. Doors closing. Doors opening. Doors closing. Doors opening. Doors closing.
Not too close. Got me.
I don't think so. I think this is bad enough.
Level 1, Retail Mall and Dockland Light Railway. Doors opening. Doors closing. Level 0, Retail Mall. Doors opening. Level -1, Promenade Retail Mall.
Doors closing.